Hello, good morning, traders. Today is the 15th of March. What a blessing day. We had amazing trades on yen. We also had amazing trade on gold, short trade. Still holding short, amazing trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in 4 hour and help my traders to squeeze beautiful pips. If you look at the 4 hour chart, that's what I explained to my trader this morning. If you look at the price action, so we were expecting this breakout trade, guys. And if you look ahead, that was a pretty straightforward. So price, we were looking here, let the market break the structure, and then we are looking a pullback in intraday. That's what we're looking here. And the first target was around this level, which is price nicely hit, but final target, if the price gonna hit the inside the Bollinger Band, which is a 20 EMA, so which is about to hit. And let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. And you can see here, this is just before London Open. We have market broken the structure, and after that we were expecting a pullback. As a sector material, look for pullback. Any pullback would consider high probability trade. So based on this analysis, you can see here the price nicely develop in pullback around the orange EMA. After that, we all pullbacks. As soon as the price is about to hit to the profit target, that's what I explained to my trader. You can see here update of analysis, guys. It's time to enjoy some profit. Move your stop loss at the break even, or enjoy some pippies on gold. We had such amazing, beautiful short trade on gold. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but you can enjoy more if you watch those analyses in real time instead of review. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading. Wish you all the best.